Flying a drone, mastering the skies. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, fly a drone. Drones have become increasingly popular, and understanding this phrase is key in today's tech-savvy world. Let's dive in and learn all about it. Fly a drone might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning. To fly generally means to move through the air, usually with some form of control or guidance. A drone, in this context, refers to an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, which is a type of aircraft without a human pilot on board. So, when we say, fly a drone, we're talking about operating a drone remotely from the ground. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts. You might hear someone say, I'm going to fly my drone at the park, or, did you get permission to fly your drone here? It's important in conversation to understand the context, as drones are used for both recreational and professional purposes. Flying a drone isn't just about the technical skills. There are legal and ethical considerations too. For instance, in many places, you need permission or a license to fly a drone, especially in populated areas. This section will help you understand phrases like no-fly zone or drone regulations. Here, we'll delve into the technical side of things. Phrases like calibrating your drone, maintaining altitude, and navigating with GPS are crucial for anyone interested in drone technology. We'll break these down for easy understanding. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means to fly a drone. Remember, this phrase is not just about the action but also involves legal, ethical, and technical knowledge. Happy flying and see you in our next English language learning adventure.